Domino's. In America, it's pepperoni, a thin or hand-tossed crust, and a 30-minute delivery promise. But Domino's now operates in more than 90 countries, and once you leave American borders, the menu barely resembles itself. Avocado and octopus in Japan. A pizza shaped like a burger in India. Cherry blossoms baked directly into the dough. This is one company, using the same red, white, and blue logo everywhere, building an entirely different menu, depending on which country you're ordering from. Let's go country by country and break down what Domino's actually looks like around the world. Japan. No country pushes Domino's further from its American identity than Japan, where the menu leans heavily into seafood, mayo-based sauces, and genuinely experimental flavor pairings. The avocado shrimp pizza combines tomato, pancetta, shrimp, and a creamy avocado mayo sauce, a combination that would be unusual almost anywhere else, but sits comfortably on Japan's regular menu. Domino's Japan has also released a quattro cheese pizza, split into two wildly different halves, one side topped with avocado and octopus, the other with honeyed ham and Gouda, essentially two completely different pizzas sharing one crust. Seasonal releases push things even further. Domino's Japan has offered a Sakura pizza built around mozzarella, strawberries, and tapioca, specifically to mark cherry blossom season, along with a mochi cheese ball item designed around the stretchy, chewy texture of mochi rather than anything resembling traditional pizza. Teriyaki pizza, customizable with seaweed flakes, rounds out a menu that treats pizza less as an Italian import and more as a flexible format for existing Japanese flavor combinations. India. Domino's India, operated by franchise partner Jubilant Foodworks, has grown into Domino's single largest international market, with more than 2,000 stores nationwide. The menu here is built heavily around paneer, a fresh, non-melting cheese central to Indian cooking, with items like paneer makhani pizza and paneer tikka stuffed garlic bread leaning directly into existing curry house flavor profiles rather than adapting Western toppings for local taste. In 2016, Domino's India introduced what might be the most structurally unusual item on this entire list, the burger pizza, marketed with the tagline, "Looks like a burger, with the goodness of a pizza," essentially a pizza dough folded and shaped to resemble a stacked burger, available in chicken, sausage, and vegetarian versions. It remains, as of now, exclusive to India, a genuinely unique menu experiment that hasn't been exported anywhere else in Domino's global system. South Korea. South Korea's Domino's menu draws heavily from Korean comfort food staples, layered directly onto pizza. The potato multigrain pizza combines bacon, onion, and mushroom over a multigrain crust, aimed squarely at the same carb-forward comfort food instincts that make dishes like Korean corn cheese and cheese-stuffed rice cakes so popular. Domino's has also released a K-food quattro pizza specifically built to showcase distinctly Korean summer flavors, continuing a broader pattern across Domino's Asian markets of treating pizza as a vehicle for pre-existing national comfort food rather than importing a fixed international standard. Vietnam. Vietnam's Domino's menu leans into the country's strong seafood and bright, herb-forward flavor traditions. The almond citrus seafood pizza, a staple on Vietnam's regular menu, combines shrimp, scallops, orange sauce, almonds, red pepper, mozzarella, cheddar, and coriander, an unusually complex fruit-forward combination that reflects Vietnamese cuisine's comfort, with balancing sweet, savory, and herbal elements within a single dish, something rarely attempted on Western pizza menus. Taiwan. Taiwan's Domino's menu features some of the most regionally specific naming and flavor combinations in the entire international lineup, including items built around pork and octopus paired with bold, spicy, burning flavor profiles, designed to appeal to Taiwanese palates accustomed to intense, layered seasoning. Taiwan's broader night market food culture, which frequently blends seafood, meat, and intense spice within single dishes, shows up directly in how Domino's has localized its own menu for the market. Malaysia. Malaysia's Domino's menu incorporates sate, a grilled, richly spiced meat skewer tradition central to Malay cooking, into pizza form through items like the cheese volcano satay pizza, combining a molten cheese-stuffed crust with satay-style seasoning. Halal certification is standard across Malaysia's Domino's locations, reflecting the country's significant Muslim population and requiring the entire meat supply chain to meet religious dietary compliance, rather than following a single global default menu. France. France's Domino's menu leans into value-driven, casual dining options tailored to French fast casual expectations, including combo deals like the Midi Interdit, pairing a pizza with a drink specifically positioned around the French midday meal structure. While France's broader food culture is famously protective of traditional culinary identity, Domino's positions itself firmly as a casual, Americanized fast food option within the market, rather than attempting to compete with traditional French dining norms. Germany. Germany's Domino's menu includes a Caesar salad pizza, translating a classic Caesar salad's core ingredients, romaine, parmesan, and creamy dressing, directly onto a pizza base, an item designed specifically to appeal to German consumers' familiarity with Caesar salad as a casual dining staple, repackaged into Domino's pizza format rather than imported as a standalone dish. Australia and New Zealand. The ANZ region has developed some of the most playfully Western-leaning menu items in Domino's international lineup, including burger boxes, combining a cheeseburger-topped mini pizza with onion rings and crispy chips into a single combo meal, and Prinkle Crispy Chicken, a crunchy fried chicken item sold alongside the standard pizza lineup. Notably, Domino's ANZ was the only major international market to report positive sales growth during a period when Domino's closed underperforming stores in several other regions, suggesting this playful, combo-driven approach to localization has resonated strongly with local customers. Why does Domino's do this instead of one global menu? The business logic here mirrors what nearly every successful global fast food chain eventually learns. A single, fixed American menu simply doesn't translate profitably across dramatically different flavor expectations, religious dietary requirements, and existing local food cultures. Domino's now operates over 21,500 locations across more than 90 markets, with roughly 14,500 of those stores located outside the United States, meaning the international side of the business has grown considerably larger than its domestic American operations. That scale is only possible because of Domino's master franchise model, where local operators, deeply familiar with regional culture, customer behavior, and regulatory environments, are given real autonomy to build menus around what already works in their specific market, rather than forcing an American blueprint onto radically different food cultures. Putting it together. So when you look at Domino's global menu side by side, country by country, what you're actually looking at is a case study in extreme localization, built on top of one of the most recognizable fast food brands in the world. Avocado and octopus in Japan, a literal burger-shaped pizza in India, potato and bacon comfort food in Korea, citrus seafood in Vietnam, sate spice in Malaysia, Caesar salad reimagined in Germany, burger boxes in Australia. Same red, white, and blue logo, same 30-minute delivery promise built into the brand's DNA, but a completely different menu shaped by whichever country happens to be ordering. If you want to see how another global chain reinvents itself around the world, subscribe to Food Genesis, because every dish has a birthplace, and even fast food has roots.